Being in the roofing and construction business, you know that falls account for the majority of injuries to your employees. In fact, about 50% of all fall-related accidents occur in your industry. Each year, hundreds of workers are killed, and many more are injured in falls. Roofers are more prone to falling for obvious reasons. They are working at heights, often on pitched surfaces. The conditions often cause the surfaces to be slippery, and they are carrying heavy equipment and tools. There is very little that can be done to change this. Some have suggested that guardrails or tethering devices be mandated to improve safety. You know how expensive, difficult, and time-consuming this kind of solution would be. And while monitoring safety conditions and stepping up training may spotlight the problem, these types of programs do little to reduce the actual risk of a fall. Standing seam metal roofs present their own set of challenges. The smooth surfaces don't provide much traction, and there's no convenient way to mount a restraint system without damaging the material. That's why we developed SeamSafe. SeamSafe is a system developed by roofers for roofers. After more than 20 years installing standing seam metal roofing, the idea occurred to us that seams could actually be utilized to anchor a tethering device. We set out to design a system that would be easy for any roofer to install without damaging the roofing material. The result is a lightweight tethering system that can be easily repositioned as the roofer works. SeamSafe uses a specially designed aircraft aluminum clamp that can be installed in seconds with the tools the roofer is already carrying. It fastens securely in place without marring the surface. Once in place and tethered to the roofer's belt, SeamSafe breaks any fall and keeps the roofer safely on the surface of the roof. SeamSafe only weighs 6.75 pounds and is just a foot in length. Yet when secured as directed, it can sustain weights up to 5,000 pounds. We put SeamSafe through the most rigorous testing, staging simulated falls of a 220-pound roofer. It exceeded testing standards. If you're looking for a solution that'll keep your workers safe and reduce your potential liability, SeamSafe is your answer. Far less expensive than fixed guardrail systems, SeamSafe makes your workers more productive and virtually eliminates the possibility of a fatal accident. SeamSafe, portable safety designed by roofers for roofers.